Here we are on the Island Spirit 400, listed with Boatshed Portsmouth. I'm just stood in the saloon on the starboard side, looking across over at the galley. Very nice spacious galley, good worktop area. So just spinning you around. Got all brand new cushions and upholstery. Really nice saloon table there. Headlinings and hatches all look good. There's various blinds throughout on the windows. So just stepping down into the port side hull and looking forwards. As mentioned, all the cushions are new in their plastic. And so you've got a little seat here, lots of little storage areas. Just looking at the headlinings in there. I'm just spinning you around, more storage here. Just spinning you around and looking aft in the port side hull. You have a heads just in here. And then just taking you back to the aft cabin on the port side hull. Really nice and roomy. Really clean and tidy boat. And we've got the port side engine. Really nice spacious area to sleep in. So spinning you around so that we go back up the steps. Something nice to hold on to here, either side, to move back up into the saloon. Coming across the saloon again, you've got the patio and windows there out into the cockpit. You've got the nav station here. And going down into the starboard hull. You can see there's a nice little seat. Pulls out there, and just looking forwards, got lots of storage, a washing machine there, and a very nice sized heads and shower room. Again, all nice touches, nice and clean and tidy. So just stepping into where the heads actually is. You got your shower head there. And just going back aft in the starboard hull. Again, as I say, a number of cushions, all brand new, still in their plastic. Starboard engine under that cushion. And just spinning you around, more storage there, spinning you around again and back and up into the saloon.